Hi everybody, it's Marla Meridith. Welcome to my YouTube channel if you haven't been here before, and welcome back to those of you who are frequent visitors. Today we are making summery cocktails, Orange Basil Margaritas. These are so delicious. The orange and basil with that hit of lime, and of course tequila and a little Cointreau. So good. I know you're gonna love them as much as we do. If you don't already, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I look forward to seeing you back here. Also, hit that notification button so you're the first to see my videos. Look forward to seeing you back here soon. Okay, let's get started. Margaritas ready? Cheers.
Salud.
You have the boy one, I have the girl one. We're happy. See you next time.